Commander's morning. Madoda. Niyazi la eMzansi kukhona abantu bangafuni ukubona i-country yethu inokuthula. Bakhona labantu labo. Bangale kwaZulu. You know, the fake news that President Bomatamela Ramaphosa will resign amanga odwa lawo. And siyazi kahle ukuthi akuyaphi. Akuya kulabantu bomkhondo womndeni. Umkhondo we-GBV. Umkhondo wamazamazama. This type of fake news creates insanity in the market. Uthola ukuthi ama-investor awasathandi ukuza la eMzansi. Ayasimoshela. Ayikho lento yokuthi iGNU under President Bomatamela Ramaphosa is a mess. No. South Africa has now completely turned around from the 9 wasted years. Yakamshuluzi. If you want to follow Jacob Zuma military dictatorship, just follow him. Kodwa mawuya khona uyindoda uhamba or ujoina no mama wasekhaya wajoina umkhondo womndeni umkhondo wama-GBV umkhondo wamazamazama wajoina nomfazi abazokudlela umfazi lapho akuhlonishwa abafazi lapho bagibela wonke umuntu. So phumani lapho kuleyo umkhondo wama-GBV umkhondo wamazamazama uvele usifele nje. Asibonge.